Hello guys, welcome to today's session in Concept. So today we will be learning about how you can find swing trades successfully, right? Now before starting the video, if you're new here, you can go in the description, there is a link below. With the help of that, you can download and install the Concept web application. After successful registration, you will get some free 25 tools here that you can use for your trading. Okay, now in the learn section also we have a video library. So like you will find a pool of videos here. We have made multiple videos on various pro plus strategies as well as on the tools also, right? Now these videos are available in multiple languages like English, Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi and Tamil. So you can choose your preference as well, right? Now at any point of time, if you guys are having any kinds of doubts or query, so you can go in the profile section, and in the support you will get our contact number as well as our email ID, right? So you can contact us and we will be there to sort your queries out, right? Now let's get back to today's session, that is how you can find the swing trades. And for that we will use some tools in the application. Okay, so let's see the Concept application. Right now, before starting the video, I'll tell you some basics. Okay, so if we are going for the swing trades, okay, if we are going for the swing trades, so the main thing is that we need to know like which are the stocks that are performing good in the market, right? And the 90% of the work will be done when you will find a good stock. Okay, and the 10% will be your homework that you can do, like what is the sentiments of the market, which sector is performing good in the market, which sector is performing bearish in the market. Okay, so that will be your 10%, right? So we will use a top to bottom approach and we will go with this scenario. First of all, we will find the sentiments of the market. Okay, then we will go for the sectors, and at the end we will aim for our stock. That will be our final thing, right? So I'm opening Concept application here. Now when we want to know what are the sentiments of the market, so there is a tool that you can use in Concept. Okay, so that tool is your net decline chart, advanced decline chart, sorry. Okay, now just a second, let it load. Okay, now in advanced decline chart there is a term called net advance. Okay, you can see it here, just a second. Okay, so this term is here, that is called the net advance. Right now, whenever your net advance will be in the negative, okay, that time you can interpret that the market is in bearish side. Okay, the market is in bearish side. Okay, and whenever your net advance is in positive side, for example, you can see here 115 and 77. So at that time your market will be in the bullish direction, you can say. Okay, now what is this net advance? So we calculate net advance like the bullish stock, okay, bullish stock minus bearish stock. Okay, and this difference will be called your net advance. Okay, so simply if I'll tell you what is net advance, so if it is positive, so then the market will be in the bullish direction. If it is negative, so the market will be in negative side, right? As you can see on the 7th October also we got a net advance of minus 139, and you can also see Nifty and Bank Nifty, it impacted with a very good fall in the market, right? So that is and also in the 4th of October also the net advance was also 137. So there was a good fall in Nifty and Bank Nifty as well, right? So from this net advance we got to know what is the sentiments of the market. The market is currently in the bearish side. Okay, so we will go with the stocks, we will aim for the stocks which are in the bearish side. Okay, now for that the second step will be to find the sector. Now to find the sector we will go in the gainer and loser. So here you will find the gainer and loser, right? Now our aim is not to find the stock here but to find the sector. So what we will do, out of all these stocks when we will scroll it down, so I have to analyze like which is the sector which is giving me the highest stock, right? So let's analyze here. Okay, so I can see NBFC, there is one NBFC. Okay, then we have, so guys, when I have scrolled it down, so I can see there are some stocks which are negative, red in color. It means there is a maximum price change here. Okay, it means the price has decreased a lot in these stocks, right? So what I'll do, I will find the maximum number of those stocks which belongs to a same sector, right? So I can see oil are in 3 or 4 sections, I guess, right? So there are so many stocks with oil, and here I can see one more oil here. Okay, then I can see power also. Okay, and power is also here. Okay, power is also here. So I got to know that oil stocks and the power stocks are the two major sector in which I can see maximum number of bearish stocks, right? Which has the maximum number of bearish, you can say sentiments, right? So what I'll go with the power, and the next one is that I will go with the oil section. Okay, these are the two stocks, two sectors. Okay, now I have successfully got to know what are the sentiments of the market. I successfully got to know what are the sectors in which are facing the bearish turn, right? Now I will go for the stocks. That is my main and last thing, right? And that is the very important thing, right? So the last thing is that now I have to go in the track, and then there is a built up script symbol. Okay, and in built up script symbol, now I just have to select the sector which I have analyzed, which is in the bearish side. So I will go with the oil and power. So when I'll apply oil, I have to know what is my built up. So I will go with the short built up because the sentiments of the market is in bearish side, right? So I can see here, and I also have to choose the expiry. So I'll choose the monthly expiry here. Okay, and then we have the short. Okay, and then apply. Just a second. Oil, short, and then the expiry. Okay, so I got to know these are the stocks from the oil sector which is giving me a short direction. It means these are the stocks which are in bearish direction. Okay, now I have the confirmation. Why? Because I have analyzed the market which was in the bearish sentiment, then I have analyzed the sector. So the maximum number of stocks which is in the bearish, which has faced the price decreasing, in which there is a maximum price decrease, that is from the oil side. And also when I analyze the oil sector, so I got to know these are the stocks which is giving me the indication that there can be a bearish sentiment in these stocks, right? So what I'll do, I will not choose all of these stocks, right, but I'll choose 2 or 3 of them. So for example, if I'll see the first 2 stocks, so I can see the OI percentage is maximum, for example 4.31, right, and 1.62. So it means there are maximum number of participants are increasing, right? So if the price is decreasing and at the same time the participants are increasing, it means the number of sellers are increasing in these stocks. So I can choose 1 or 2 stocks from the top, and then I can start trade in them. Okay, so you can just tap this icon and you will be directly taken to the chart here. Okay, so for example, I have opened the chart of Reliance now. Okay, so then what you can do, if you are making for a bearish direction, if you want to take the call or put, if you want to buy the put because you are aiming for the bearish direction. Okay, so then you can mark the support and resistance of this particular stock, and whenever your stock will break that support, so then you can make your entry in the bearish direction, right? So I hope guys it is clear to you. ठीक है, we made a pathway from bottom to top कि कैसे आपको मार्केट के सेंटिमेंट्स देखने हैं, कैसे आपको सेक्टर को एनालाइज करना है, and after analyzing all those 2 things, how you can find stocks for you, and out of all those stocks, how can you find 1 or 2 stocks that will be working for you in the real market, राइट? तो कैसे आप अपने लिए स्टॉक चूज कर सकते हो, हमने इस चीज पे काफी फोकस करा. ठीक है, उसके बाद यू जस्ट हैव टू मेक अ रेंज इन द मार्केट. यू कैन जस्ट प्लॉट द सपोर्ट एंड रेसिस्टेंस. फॉर एग्जांपल, I'll plot a resistance or support here. Okay, so I'll plot a support here. So for example, this is my support where the market took a rejection in the downward direction. Now at any point of time, if my market will break this support again, so at that time I'll make my entry in this particular stock. Okay, right now I am analyzing it in 5-minute time frame, but if you are going for the swing trading, so you can analyze it in the 1-day time frame or in 1-hour time frame also, right? So I hope guys ये वीडियो कहीं ना कहीं आप लोगों को काफी इंफॉर्मेटिव लगी होगी, आपके काम आई होगी. ठीक है, आपको कुछ सीखने को मिला होगा. अगर आपको पसंद आए, you can like the video, you can share your reviews in the comment section as well. Okay, if you are new here, you can subscribe the channel also. Thank you so much guys. This is your trainer Ankit Singh Rawat. Have a good day.